Hello, today I'm Flacco, the Pinchy Gringo. Haven't heard that one in a while. Working on a 95 Eldorado, no, sedan DeVille today. I got to do a water pump on this thing. Many years of Fleetwoods, Sevilles, sedan DeVilles, Eldorados, 4.1s, 4.5s, 4.9s. They're pretty much all the same as far as the water pump goes. I haven't done one of these in a dying day. Oh man, I've done so many of these a long time ago. I'll show you how to do these water pumps. Yeah, this is a cool car, you know. It's a nice old classic, and I don't know, he's got some problem with some birds or something. Damn birds have been attacking this car like, I don't know, they must think it's some kind of wild edible or something. Yeah, there's nice spots all over it. Gee, I don't know, I'd like to meet this bird. Jeez. Yeah, look at this. I don't know, this looks like, I don't know, some acidic urination from a bird. Wow. There's got to be an amazing story behind this one. Yeah, this guy likes to get his own parts. This is a metal water pump. Anytime you get a metal water pump for a Cadillac, make sure it's not remanufactured. Get a brand new one. The remanufactured ones are usually remanned in Mexico and they leak a lot. He gave me an aluminum pump. It's wrong. The mounting's even wrong. He gave me a belt too, and well, it looks like this belt's been shredding for some reason. There's a lot of rubber particles everywhere, and down here it's really close. It looks like it might be just barely hitting the water pump right there, the belt. So I got to check all these pulleys, make sure everything spins nice. Tell this guy he orders his own parts for some reason. I got to tell him he got the wrong stuff, and I got to go get the right stuff. Yeah, I got to make a little correction. It's a 4.9 or a 4.6 or a 4.1. I said it was a 4.5. Yeah, I'm wrong about that. Yeah, the guy said he block tested this and it's got a head gasket leak too, and he put some sealer in it to seal it up, and now he wants me to put a water pump in it. So I'm just doing what the guy tells me. I hope everything works out for him, but I don't have any faith in that stuff, but he just wants to cheap it out and try to get by as much as he can. So alright, I'm going to do this job. I got my water pump now. I got the right one right here. So I'm going to put it in. Okay, first thing you want to do with this car, you get out your 13 millimeter. You want to loosen these bolts up. Otherwise, you're going to have some kind of fun getting them off with the belt off. Yeah, he gave me a tensioner pulley too. I don't know. Either tensioner or idler pulley. I don't know which one he wants me to put it on. I think they're both the same. So I'll just find the worst one, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. This guy keeps giving me stuff to put on his car. I don't know. I don't see any belt routing diagram anywhere on this car. Usually there's a sticker somewhere. So I made my own. Okay, now you want to stick a half-inch something or another in here, ratchet or a breaker bar. Pull back on this, unload the tensioner. He gave me a belt to put on this too, so I'm going to take this all the way out. That one makes a little noise. That one makes a little noise too. Yeah, he says his water pump leaks, but the bearings are real tight. I'm checking the AC. That feels good. Yeah, this one's got more play in it than the other one, so I'm going to replace this one. This other one's got a little play in it too, but ain't so bad. And there's a little bit of movement in them. Whatever. Okay. Water pump time. Get these bolts out of here. Yeah, I don't really see any coolant leaking out of that. I got some Torxes here. It looks like this pump's been off before because they're all screwed up. Shit. Yeah, these are all screwed up. Looks like it's going to be a T45 Torx. Yeah, this one right here is stripped out. It doesn't even want to go in there. Crap. That is not a good thing. I don't know if they used the wrong size or what. They could have put this smaller one in here and put a size too small in here maybe. Stripped it out a little bit. Okay, what I do with these is I actually take the bit out of my socket and an 8mm will fit on this. I put black tape on it. And then I push it on here so it stays on. Then I can get it, well, I can get at this one anyways. This one down here. That one there. Oh, these are like a mean trick. Yeah, somebody did this job before. I don't know, he says this thing's leaking. I don't see anything leaking out of this. I think he's wrong. But the guy keeps giving me parts to put in his car. I don't diagnose anything, and he just wants me to give him answers. And this time around, he just told me to put a water pump in his car. So I'm putting a water pump in his car. I don't know if it's a waste of money or what. Customer's always right, right? Yeah, unless I say otherwise. What the heck? Alright, I got one of them out. I got a feeling this one is not going to be nice to me. It's all messed up. How the heck? Oh, that's scary. Somebody did some shoddy work to this. I'm going to put this T40 in here and try to gently take it out. Hopefully I don't strip it. Come on. Yeah, that's wrong. Okay, this bolt's really screwed up, so this is a trick I do with Volkswagens with Allens that are all stripped out. I got a 3-foot chisel and I sharpened it really good so it really bites on here, and hopefully I can get this loose. I just need to loosen it a little bit. Oh my God. A bunch of crap. It ain't moving. Fuck this car. I don't even see it leaking anyways. The guy just wants me to throw parts at his frickin' car. Somebody already repaired this thing once and screwed it all up, and I'm not going to spend a bunch of time on this doing something that's not going to fix the car. I'm done with this thing. I think I'm done with this guy. I'm going to put this thing back together and tell him to go home and not answer his phone calls anymore. Okay, I put his janky car back together again. So I guess instead of showing you what to do, I'm going to show you what not to do. He gave me the wrong water pump. I got the wrong tensioner. I got a belt that's one number off, so that's wrong. I got a water pump I just bought that I'm going to need to return now. And I'm not doing shit. I don't know why I keep working on this cursed thing. I put it all together. I figured, what the heck, I saw a little drip on the ground. So I pressure tested it. And somebody hacked away at that bottom bolt right there. And they never got it tight. Some hack guy that hacked this water pump in, so I'm going to tighten that bolt, hope this thing seals up. It is like really loose. Oh my God, this thing's so loose, it's ridiculous. Yeah, I blew off the coolant just to see if it's going to leak, and as you can see, there's another bolt that's loose. It's actually hitting the harmonic balancer. I'm pretty sure you can see that one. So, God, what the heck? I'm going to tighten that one down too. Well, I'm going to pressure test this thing, and I'm going to see if it's leaking. Yeah, that sealed it up. Yeah, all I got is a handful of grease, no coolant. A bunch of hacks. I'm so done with this car. I'm going to try to sneak in here with a swivel socket. Somehow. There. I don't want to look at too much stuff on this car. I might be here forever. That's all I'm going to do to this thing. I'm going to stop trying to look at it. As you can tell, this car's making me crabby. For good reason. I don't have any patience for stupid people and stupid people's work. So to end my story of all stories, the water pump wasn't leaking, but the gasket was. So people can tell you they can't fix stupid, but they're wrong, because I just did.